Hello everybody, my name is Sudip. I am an instructor of Uplatz. Let's start the course on JavaScript for beginners. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level programming language. It is primarily used to make web pages interactive. It enables developers to add dynamic content to websites such as interactive forms, animations, games, and complex user interfaces. Moreover, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is one of the core technologies of web and runs directly in the browser. Key characteristics of JavaScript. Interactivity. JavaScript enables websites to respond to user actions, for example, clicks and keyboard input. Client side. JavaScript primarily runs in the browser. So JavaScript code executes on the user's device, for example, smartphones, tabs, etc. And the response time is quicker. Event-driven. JavaScript operates on an event-based model. This means code is often executed in response to specific user actions or events. For example, clicking a button. Object-oriented and functional. JavaScript supports multiple programming paradigms. This makes it flexible for different coding styles. It is used for object-oriented programming or OOP and functional programming. 5. Dynamic and loosely typed. You don't have to declare variable types explicitly. Moreover, types can change dynamically. Common uses of JavaScript. DOM manipulation, that is document object model. This is DOM. Dynamically modifying HTML and CSS to update a web page without reloading. This is important, without reloading that page. AJAX and Fetch API, interacting with web servers to update content asynchronously. Animations, creating visual effects for smoother and more engaging user interfaces. Frameworks and libraries. Many frameworks, for example Angular, Vue, and libraries, for example React, jQuery, etc., use JavaScript to simplify complex tasks. Where JavaScript runs. JavaScript originally ran only in the browser, and with the rise of environments like Node.js, it can now run on the server as well. This makes it a versatile choice for full stack development. Full stack means where front-end and back-end are combined. that's all for now. Thank you.